is Stuart Noel. I am the owner of Boston Throne Chairs LLC. I am doing a series where I show you how to protect your throne chair, clean your throne chair, and transport your throne chair safely. In this part of the series, I am going to show you how to fix minor damages that happen to your throne chair during transport or while with a client. So I use this a lot, but I use it because it's sticky and it doesn't damage anything. So I went ahead and I put it over here. I put one stripe because if you can see, this is where the damage is. I'm going to be using this. So it's abrasive paper, it's waterproof, and it's very small, it's very easy. And clean the area. Now that the areas where the chips happen have been filed down, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna paint over them. Like I use spray paint because these are the colors that I found that have worked for this particular chair. You have to do both of them, the metallic and this one, and then it'll cover everything up. Get started. You see I have two different color paints here, and I'm just gonna do it with this tiny brush. I know this is small, but you really want to pay attention to the details, so you want to do a really good job, so you don't want to rush this process. When you're done painting, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paint and you're gonna take your glove and put over it like this, okay? So now your gloves over your paint like this, it's gonna prevent it from drying because you're gonna need to do a second coat or third coat on that paint, okay? That's pretty much it. So for the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and finish with the throne chair, with fixing the area, and then I'll show you the result. Okay, thank you guys. My name is Marie, and I am Boston Throne Chairs. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my content, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and like my page on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And be sure to check out my website, BostonThroneChairs.com. I'm Marie. Thank you.